Is there anything better than a DB6 Volante?
Funny you should ask, Guy. How about this 1963 Aston Martin DB4 Series V Convertible? Just 70 Aston Martin DB4 Convertibles were ever made, and this is arguably the most desirable, being a late production Series V. This exceptional example has benefited from not one but two restorations in its lifetime. The first by Aston Martin themselves back in the 90s, and more recently by a marque specialist up to what can only be described as concours standard. This car benefits from having a history file which dates all the way back to 1963. A fantastic opportunity to own one of the rarest and most beautiful Aston Martins ever made. And if that's not reason enough, the DB4 Convertible was immortalised on the big screen, being driven by Charlie Croker in The Italian Job. What more do you need from the great 60s motoring era? Up for sale with Car and Classic in the collector's edition on the 15th of November. What a fabulous thing that is.